Building a home is exciting. Container homes are becoming super popular, and for good reason. They are affordable, sturdy, and look amazing. These homes are made from steel shipping containers. They're strong and can handle tough weather. Plus, you can stack them in cool ways to make your dream home. Thinking about trying something new? Building a container home might be just the thing for you. It's a fun adventure, and you'll end up with a unique and awesome place to live. Idaho is perfect for container homes. We have wide open spaces and beautiful views. Imagine your new home with a mountain backdrop. Idaho has hot summers and cold winters, so you need the right materials. Good insulation is key to staying comfy all year round. Spray foam insulation is a great option for container homes. Idaho has a lot of skilled builders who can help you with your container home project. They know the local rules and can help you build a safe and awesome home. First things first, find the right container. You can choose a new one or a used one to save some money. Just make sure it's in good shape. Next, get your land ready. You'll need a good foundation for your container home. Talk to a contractor about the best type for your land. Now for the fun part, designing your home. Think about how many containers you want and how you want to connect them. Don't forget windows and doors for lots of natural light. Once your containers are in place, it's time to insulate, add walls, and put in your plumbing and electricity. It's like putting together a giant puzzle. Container homes are generally cheaper than traditional homes, but it's still important to budget carefully. The cost of your home will depend on the size, design, and materials you choose. Look for deals on used containers and consider doing some of the work yourself to save money. There are also financing options available specifically for container homes. Talk to a lender about getting a construction loan. This type of loan helps you pay for the building process. Once the house is built, you can refinance into a traditional mortgage. Building a container home in Idaho is a great way to have a unique and affordable home. With a little planning and hard work, you can make your dream home a reality.